Welcome. It's Antonella, and we are discussing YouTube marketing, the #1 way to rank on Google for free. When we talk about free today, we are specifically talking about advertising spend. So there are a lot of different things we can pay for, but today we're specifically talking about advertising spend. So welcome, and let's get into it. When we say $0 advertising, we mean spending no money and getting our YouTube videos on the first page of Google. So why would Google want to help us with getting on that first page? Google owns YouTube. So it makes a lot of sense that Google is going to want to put its asset, so to speak, front and center, because they want to keep people on their platform. When you go out and you search on Google, you are searching something because generally you're ready to buy. You're looking specifically for something. You're searching for a review to see if what you're looking to buy is good or not. You want to see how something works. The reason that we want to rank, so what ranking means is that we're going to end up on towards the top of the Google search. So a lot of people talk about above the fold, and I'll show you that in a moment, and show you the power of why that is so effective. So hold on for just a little bit and we'll get there. And we were using YouTube, and we're going to leverage the power of our YouTube videos and the power of YouTube itself to give us authority, even if we're just starting out, and leverage that authority to put us right there front and center in front of people who are looking to buy the products and services that we are looking to share with them. I am now going to take us over to some searches. So, we run this search, Groove Pages versus Kartra. If you notice at the very beginning, Google has ads. And then right underneath the ads is where our YouTube videos are falling. So think about this. Your video ends up right here. Now people are going to click on it and they're going to watch your video, and they're going to now see you as the authority. You're going to offer whatever products and services you have, and it gives you a leg up. And you got there without spending any money. I'll show you real quick. I haven't been doing this very long. However, I've ended up for, certain keywords I rank. So that's pretty cool. I'm very excited about that. And, when you get into YouTube and your video starts popping up, it's another way. So you'll end up on the list when people do a search, or when they're watching a video, you want to end up over here on the right-hand side as a recommended video. Okay, so that's just some of the reasons why. Now we're going to talk about why some of these other things are things we are trying to avoid, and why is it that $0 ad spend is our goal today. So with Facebook ads, the costs are increasing. There's a lot of competition out there. A lot of people are doing it. And if you haven't had your ad account shut down, there might be something wrong. You're certainly not advertising enough. It seems to be a badge of courage these days. So, so that's the difficulty of Facebook is definitely something we want to avoid. SEO, search engine optimization, it's really hard. It also takes a long time in order to rank. So you have most experts that advise people in the groups that I'm a part of, you're looking at 2 years out to really start, showing true authority and ranking. 9 to 18 months to gain traction. So we want to build up our businesses as quickly as possible. So we're a little impatient. Google ads have always been costly. Their costs have only been going up. Buying keywords and getting out there, it's for deep pockets, and that's certainly not us with a new business venture. There are these things called solo ads, where basically you pay someone to send traffic to your opt-in page. I've tried those as well. I've actually tried all of these, and You know, I found with the solo ads that the quality of the leads is not as good as I would have wanted. I did get people to opt in. Not that many people purchased on the upfront. The people who opted in weren't very engaged. So opening up emails and doing all of that follow-up that you're supposed to do wasn't really something that was working for me. So we want to use YouTube because we want to be in a place where people are seen. We want to get ranked on Google because we want to be where people are ready to buy. And we want to try and avoid those places where there's a lot of competition, making it harder to be seen and make money. And we do not want to be a statistic. The statistics that are telling us that over 80% of all businesses are going to fail. Most are going to fail in the first year. The others are going to fail within the first 2 to 3 years. We don't want to be a statistic. So that's why we're doing this. That's why we're focusing on YouTube. And we're going to take a deeper dive tomorrow. Comment below what your biggest struggle is with advertising and growing your business. Let's learn why Google wants to show our content and rank us. And if you like this video, please give us a like, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. And if you hit the subscribe button, hit the notify button so that you'll know when the next video is coming. Hope you have a really great day.